This is not the first instance when an opposition leader has made an objectionable comment regarding Kumbh. The Congress ally, the Samajwadi Party, has in fact a long list of such comments that have been made. Let's take a look at some of the comments that have been made by the Samajwadi Party leaders. Are they rattled by the Kumbh Mela and the massive turnout that it is seeing? Remember, on the 22nd of January, as the Yogi cabinet had taken a dip, the Samajwadi Party media cell had called the ministers Chhapri. That's the comment that had been made by the Samajwadi Party. In fact, on Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath leading this holy dip, the Samajwadi Party had said that the people of the state, the people of UP need jobs and not a holy dip by the Chief Minister. This is the comment that had been made by them. But before that as well, remember when a fire incident, an unfortunate incident had been reported on the 19th of January, the Samajwadi Party had said that this exposes Yogi Sarkar's lack of preparedness. Previously, on the turnout that has been given out, remember the government has been giving out the numbers of the devotees who have been coming in from across the country and the world. And on these numbers as well, the Samajwadi Party has raised questions. On the 16th of January, this is what the Samajwadi Party said, that all the government figures on Mahakumbh turnout are absolutely fake. After that, we have seen politics play out as well. On the 12th of January as well, Akhilesh Yadav had gone on to say that Swami Vivekanand had said that roti is about religion, trying to undermine the significance of Mahakumbh. Previously as well, the Samajwadi Party had raised questions and had said that the UP government will attend Kumbh to wash their sins, while saying to the Chief Minister as well that when you leave, you should take your peers with you. In fact, on the dredging of river Ganga as well, the Samajwadi Party had said that it is an environmental crime. And previously, when invites had been sent out as well, the Samajwadi Party went on to say that the people come to Kumbh out of faith and not by an invite. So the politics around it unfortunately continues, but the question is, should religion be dragged into their politics or not? With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.